ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಭಾರತಿ ಉತ್ಸವದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಧಾನಿ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತಮಿಳುನಾಡು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಎಡಪ್ಪಾಡಿ ಪಳನಿಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಸಹ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಉತ್ಸವದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಚೆನ್ನೈನ ವನವಿಲ್ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಇದನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದ್ದು, ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯಲಿರುವ ಈ ಉತ್ಸವದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವು ರಾಷ್ಟೀಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟೀಯ ಕವಿಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಕಲಾವಿದರು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಹಾಕವಿ ಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯ ಭಾರತಿ ಅವರ 138ನೇ ಜನ್ಮದಿನದ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ಈ ಉತ್ಸವವನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಭಾರತಿ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಈ ಬಾರಿ ಲೇಖಕ ಶ್ರೀನಿ ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥನ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನೀಡಿ ಗೌರವಿಸಲಾಗುವುದು.
To the great scholar Sri Srini Vishwanathan ji, who has dedicated his entire life to research on Bharati's works, I appreciate him for actively pursuing research even at the age of 86. How to describe
ಈಗ ಪ್ರಧಾನಿ ಅವರು ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ನೇರ ಪ್ರಸಾರ.
This is a very difficult question. Bhartiya cannot be linked to any single profession or dimension. He was a poet, writer, editor, journalist, social reformer, freedom fighter, humanist, and much more. One can only marvel at his works, his poems, his philosophy, and his life. He also had a close link with Varanasi, which I have the honor of representing in the parliament. I recently saw that his collected works have been published in 16 volumes. In short, life of 39 years, he wrote so much, did so much, and excelled in so much. His writings are a guiding light to us towards a glorious future. Friends, there is much that our youth today can learn from Subramaniam Bharati. Most importantly, to be courageous. Fear was unknown to Subramaniam Bharati. He said, "Accha millai, accha millai. Accha menbadilleya. Iccha kuttu lorelam, edirtu nindra podirum." It means, fear I have not, fear I have not, even if all the world oppose me. I see this spirit in young India today. I see this spirit when they are at the forefront of innovation and excellence. India's startup space is filled with fearless youth who are giving something new to humanity. Such a can-do spirit will bring wonder for our nation and our planet. Friends, Bhartiya believe in a healthy mix between the ancient and the modern. He saw wisdom in saying, connected with our roots as well as looking towards the future. He considered